Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Yeah, since yesterday the price has really only been moving sideways. We're currently moving between micro support and micro resistance. So the idea is that a third wave could have topped here, larger third wave on the 22nd of November as discussed in previous videos. The wave count to the upside was full in the third wave. Can I rule out direct further upside extensions? No, and that's because we only have a 3-wave pullback from the high. Well, that's okay. That could be an A wave in the yellow wave 4. And now we're moving up in wave B and then come down in wave C. I mean, that's something that's absolutely likely, but it takes a break now below $227 to confirm that this B wave rally is over. That would at least be the first confirmation level. Better confirmation would be a break below the low of the A wave at $222.40. So that means we had a corrective pullback, a corrective looking rally into resistance. Price got rejected at the 61.8 retracement for now, but overall this still gives us a very range-based look. So I have no indication at the moment that wave C to the downside has started. Yeah. No indication that wave C to the downside has started. And if wave C is unfolding from here or starts from here, it should take us to around about $196 next. But as I said, I need a break below the upper micro support. Because things would be clearer, had the move down been a 5-wave move. But that's not the case. So with a 3-wave move, also the green scenario is possible, which we discussed before. In the green count, further direct upside extensions are possible. In this case, we had here this rally from the November low is a wave 1, because it is a 5-wave move. I mean, it's possible. Wave 1, and then this is a wave 2, but it would again also for a wave 2 be very shallow. So other interpretations are possible, but this is something that's also plausible, specifically because the rally from that low, while it looks more like a corrective rally, I could make a case for a 1, 2, 3, 4, sorry, that's ugly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like I did on the ADA chart and the Bitcoin chart. But is that highly likely? I mean, I don't see a highly reliable setup here. But there is one, if you want to use it, it's a possible 1-2 setup, but I need a pullback that looks corrective into this region between $227.33 and $237.25, and there's additional support at $234.31 and $231.40. And then if we get this pullback and then break out above this high, it could be a third wave up in the making, which would then need to be further confirmed with a break above $264.20. So overall, pretty much just range-bound movement. The really relevant support level at the moment on this chart is $163.29, because that's really key support. We see that on the larger time frame. Anything above, there are micro support levels, I communicated them, against which the focus could still be on higher more directly. But really, the larger time frame also allows for the interpretation that this is some kind of an A, B, C, and maybe this is only going to be the A wave of an even larger wave 4, B wave, C wave, yeah? So it could, again, I mentioned it now in a few videos, patience is required for this wave 4. We're in the early stages of this wave 4 possibly. Surely we could get another extension in wave 3. That would even be better in terms of, the probabilities to reach those areas up there for the cycle targets around 360 to 380 next. Because the longer the third wave is, the longer the fifth wave as well. Now, I don't think there is any short trade setup here anywhere, because we don't have a 5-wave move down anywhere, okay? And the short trade setup from an Elliott wave point of view involves a 5-wave decline followed by a corrective rally, and then you can short, but there is no 5-wave move down. So watching for a pullback and being bearish, those are two different things, okay? It's actually rather still a bullish scenario. And if the market offers a deep pullback, it could rather be an opportunity, I think, to enter the market, to try to be in that market for the fifth wave. And here you can see the stable support area. Stable is just the relevant one for this main pattern, because everything else is just really micro structures. So hopefully that helps. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.